Welcome back to DNA's Garage, and today we're going to be doing a Mac boost controller install. We need to get more power, we need to get more boost into this baby. We need to beat EcoBoost. Oh, let me roll the clip again. EcoBoost is this one guy that owns an EcoBoost Ford. God, what a piece of He called me out and I gave him the bejeebies. But then, you know, we ran out of track. You know, we were at our undisclosed location back in Mexico. And now that I called him out to go to the track with me, yeah, we need more boost. Now right here we got the boost controller itself. Now we got a 3-port from Mac. This is pretty easy, and we're gonna put the diagram right here from Hondata themselves, but it's basically 12 volt from the battery and a wire going back to the ECU to control the pulse width modulation that activates the boost controller and allows the boost to go into the engine. Now the tubing setup on this Mac boost controller is pretty simple. You're going to use your existing bottom to and feed from the turbo, and you're going to T, and it's going to be connected into the port 1. And then from port 2 is going to go to the top of the wastegate, and that's what is actually going to control the amount of boost. Once you install your boost controller and then you realize that you don't have any vacuum tubing, man, you watch D-Tune. Windshield wiper fluid works the same way. For all my fellow techs out there, this is how you make money flat rate. Now that we got an eBay sponsor bracket with zip ties and used bolts, we're gonna lock it down and start running our wires. You know, I went out and had to spoil my bitch, so I gotta get some goodies for her. Let's wire this stuff up. No problem.
So it's 104 right now. We're still out here.
Yeah. So the black wire is going to go to ECU pin A11. And the red wire is going to be to the cigarette lighter, anything that is switch power. Alright, so after like 50 million hours of research, all of these have a number for them. This is A, and if you look in the back of the connector, it's going to have A11, 1, and the bottom pins, but we don't care about none of those. We're looking for 811, which is going to be this one right here. I don't like splicing into my original harness, so I use my jumper harness, and that's where I cut into, and that's the pin. Now if you're saying in the comment why I'm using pen, suck my bitch. After you're done install that, make sure you go ahead on your Hondata and log it in. But if you detune, we tune ourselves. So we're gonna test it out at the track on Saturday, June 27th, and we're gonna be calling out EcoBoost, that slow guy nitrous. Man, you don't even got an engine. Shut your man, in fact, stay home. But if you enjoyed this video and me calling out all these, like and subscribe down below for more call outs.
Yeah.
You know it's hot when your brother goes in the pool.
Hey, you know it's hot. Your fucking breath. Shut the up.
15 on what was happening.
My hand got red.
Hey, bro, $40 right now.
What?
Right now, you touch it. It's 104 right now. We didn't shake on it, but it's alright.
Hit your ball, bitch. Yo!
It's like a nut.